Ruda. Rakitic.
Pasangan tu je betul bola. Banyak betul bola.
Menang kali dah 2-18.
Perisic. Mandzukic is in the middle. Rebic looking to join him. Too long for both of them.
Buat apa itu? Pun apa yang ada tadi?
The previous meeting of these two nations on a major tournament was in the group stage of the 1996 European Championship. Croatia winning 3-0, 2 goals from Davor Šipka, one in the penalty, the other from Zvonimir Boban. Eriksson. Played off in by Strinic. He steals a good 10 paces there. I'm trying to take the throw.
Jangan dia depan dia dah. Ada pun belakang dia dah. Mana benda lagi mana benda. Bola. Lebih.
Saka. Modric. Looking for Mandzukic. He was offside. The flag of which he raised against the striker.
Hubungan kamu betul. Hubung kembali. Coba ni. Kaya betul betul.
Well, a little low key. Yet to see inside the stadium at the start of this second half. Terrific during the first half. Sheehan. Held up well by Paulson, who gets it back from Eriksson. Paulson. Still Yusuf Paulson. Now hoping for the return. Tanusin drives it in. Sivacic. Sivacic, not a new squad member for Croatia at the last World Cup in 2014. By Dalsgaard. Jurgensen. Here's Delaney.
Boleh. Lain boleh ada.